गोय सरकारातले 8 आणि उद्देगातले 8 असे समान वांगडी घेऊन गोय पर्यटन बोर्ड हे देशातले पहिले मंडळ थारला जे राज्यात पर्यटन उबारपा मेरेन पर्यटनाच्या हितात एकठांय काम करपाक उद्देग आणि सरकारा वांगडा उक्ते केला। राज्यातले पर्यटन मुखार व्हरपाक सरकाराची आणि उद्देगातल्या तज्ञांची मतां गरजेची। राज्यात पर्यटन सुरक्षित जावपाक टुरिस्ट पुलीस नियुक्त करपाची गरज पर्यटन मंत्र्यान उक्तायल्या। मुख्यमंत्री या बोर्डाचो अध्यक्ष जाल्यार पर्यटन मंत्री उपाध्यक्ष जातलो अशें पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सांगले। पळयात।
मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताच्या अध्यक्षपदाखाला आयज गोय टुरिझम बोर्डाची बसका जाली। जीटीडीसीचो अध्यक्ष गणेश गावकार, पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे, पर्यटन भागदार आणि सरकारी अधिकारी हे बसकेत हाजीर आशिल्ले। गोय पर्यटन मंडळ बसकेत गोयात निवळ आणि सुरक्षित पर्यटन अनुभव दिवपा खातीर रोड मॅप मांडलो। ऐकत।
Chief Minister becomes the chairman of this board, the tourism minister the co-chairman, we have one vice chairman from the industry and the rest of it is split between the government and the industry, which is roughly about 8 people from both sides. Equal representation given. Goa Tourism Board is the first board in the country which is opened up with industry and government working together in the interest of tourism as far as building tourism. That Choti tourism contributes highest to the state in terms of GDP and Goa is known as the most preferred destination and ताज्या खातीर गोवा टुरिझम बोर्डाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमचो प्रयत्न आसता इंडस्ट्रीचे व्ह्यूज घेवप, सरकाराचे विचार घेवप, ताजेर डिस्कशन करून फुडें व्हरप। Deployment of recruitment of staff and deployment of manpower for managing day-to-day administration of GTB. Goa Tourism Board is a recommendatory body and there are a lot of things that need to be done. ताज्या खातीर staff समज नासलो जाल्यार independent करपाक difficult जाता. So having the whole strength roughly to about all the sanctioned staff which we need as a permanent will be 63. आयच्या तारखेक 19 जणांचे कॉम्पोजिशन फ्रॉम GM, डेप्युटी GM, मॅनेजर, असिस्टंट मॅनेजर, सिनियर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह and executive total coming to 19 have been finalized for the on contractual basis for ensuring that the board operates independently to the ideas the board wants to take ahead, whether it is policy making, infrastructure and other things. Important हांगा dedicated traffic आणि policing आमकां tourist police cell जो जाय that was being discussed with the chief minister in detail. मागे तुमकां आमी परत सांगता, but just going by the agenda आणि जी existing infrastructure आसा तो आमी कसो वाडोवचो. Like when we are talking about North Goa, we are roughly having about 60 police only manning at different levels as far as police is concerned.